Check it out, guys. Ford Bronco TRS with the TRS Toyota little drag race start line. They've both got, I don't know how you call these, but yeah, some type of wings. That's the line right there, and this is the finish line right here. Not too far, probably like 50 feet. This is the line right here that we're gonna finish at. It's about 50 feet, guys. Yeah, I would say 50, 30 feet. About 30 feet. Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
Oh, this guy. Oh my God. Bronco's down.
The rabbit wins. The turtle still going.
Oh my God. This guy living there. Oh, next week, one more tug of war. Oh, he put his gear on.
Woo! Finish line! Finish line, baby! Yeah! Check it out! Head to head. Come here, head to head. Come here, head to head. Come here. Head to head.
It's not a time. Turbo gave up, need some oil.
And I flipped them over. From a little drag race, it became a battle. Flip them over again. Ah! Yeah! We out here, baby. We out here. Ah, he got me. He got me. He got me. Finally. Come on. If that Toyota's tough enough, let's go head to head. Back up. Back up. Back up. I'm already lined up. This guy's over here. We're gonna take off. We're gonna take off. And we're just gonna go head on. Let's see which one wins. Ready? Set, go! There you go, guys. Boom. There you go, guys. Boom. Toyota takes it.
You gotta back up.
Toyota takes it. All right, guys. Round 2. Round 2. Round 2. Toyota's ready. Ready? Let's go. He's stuck. Round 3?
Yeah.
Wanna go again?
Yeah.
Round 3. Ready? Set. Go!
More, baby, more.
Yeah. Come here. Come here. Check this out. Check it out. Bronco in top. Toyota in the bottom.
Yeah.
Ooh.